Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to install Microsoft Office 365 for free on your Mac. First, open your favorite web browser. I'm using Brave, but you can use any browser you like. Next, go to Google and search for Office 365. In the search results, click on the first link. I'll also leave the official website link in the video description for easy access. Once you're on the site, look for the Download Microsoft 365 Apps for macOS link in the middle of the screen and click on it. Choose a location to save the installer file. I'm saving it in my Downloads folder. The download should start immediately. Depending on your internet speed, it may take a few minutes. Once the download is complete, navigate to the location where you saved the file. Find the file named Microsoft 365 Office Package and double-click it. This will launch the Office Setup wizard. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. Click Continue to go through the steps and read the license agreement carefully. If you agree with the terms, click Agree to proceed. The installer will then ask you to choose the installation location. Most users can leave this set to the default location in the Applications folder, then click Install to begin. You may be prompted to enter your Mac's admin password to authorize the installation. Enter your password and click Install Software to continue. The installation process may take a few minutes. Once it's finished, you'll see a confirmation screen. Click Close to exit the installer. If an auto-update window appears, follow the prompts to update Office to the latest version. To start using Office, open Launchpad and look for the Microsoft Office apps, including Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft OneNote, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Defender, and others. Click on any of them to launch the app. To unlock all features, you need to subscribe or purchase a license. Some features may be limited in the free version. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.